So here's our raw data stored in a data range. We want to present it visually using a pivot chart. We'll be able to see the number of countries in each continent. We'll be able to pivot to show the countries by their language. And we'll be able to filter according to the temperature and all that good stuff. We can click anywhere in our data. On the Insert tab, we can choose Insert a Pivot Chart. And we're going to create it right here on this worksheet. In our chart, we'll have the continents as our main series. And within each continent, we want Excel to count the number of countries. Let's drag the country field to the values box. And we can see that Excel in fact builds a pivot table in the background. The pivot table is based on our original data, and then the pivot chart is simply looking at the pivot table. Let's add a title for our chart. We can jazz up our chart a little bit by choosing a different style. On the Design tab, we can choose this one here. And we can also change the layout from this button here. Most of the things that we want to do in our chart, we can get from the Add Chart Element button. Let's move the legend to the bottom. We can add the temperature and the language as filters. How many countries are 25 degrees and above? And how many of them speak English or Spanish? Before presenting this lovely chart to our boss, let's move it to its own worksheet. This is looking good, folks. And if you want to know how to embed this beauty inside of a PowerPoint presentation, you should check out the other videos on my channel.